Hi guys, this is Saurav. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your Elementor website footer. Okay, so here you can see that's the footer and that is designed by Elegant Theme powered by WordPress. So I'm going to change this line and here I'm going to put my website name. Okay, so you need to log into your website and now you can see here website name and you need to click on Theme Customizer. And wait some seconds. Now you can see here the footer section. Click on footer and you can see here bottom bar, and now you need to, there is nothing text. Okay, there is nothing right now, so now we are going to put here some text like my website name, the coding bus, and that's the coding bus. You can change this text color also, and here you can see text color, so just select on text color and you just select blue, and background color is something white, or you can select any color like this, but black is something pretty good for the footer, and the text color should be white. This one is look good. So now I'm going to use here link for my website. So here you can see there is the coding bus. So whenever someone click on this link, so this will redirect to my website. If I'm just say here this website designed by the coding bus. Okay, so I'm going to use here a tag, ahref, and here I'm going to put my website link. Okay, and close this a tag and click on publish and go to the website and refresh this. And you can see this website designed by the coding bus, and whenever I'm going to click on this, and you will see here I'm going to redirect to my website, and you can put the designer's name here in the footer section. So that's very easy way to change the footer of your Elementor website. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video and share this video. Thank you.